Many entries in the Eurojargon glossary provide links to official documents. Most are relatively recent and are usually available online via EU websites. However, some documents referred to in the glossary predate the age of the Internet. The EU itself has been slow to make such documents available online, but fortunately, many significant historical documents have been scanned and made available by the University of Pittsburgh in its Archive of European Integration. It might seem strange that a university in the USA should develop such a collection, but a network of US universities providing information about the European communities was established many years ago, and US librarians have developed expertise and resources in the same way as many of their colleagues in Europe have done. Pittsburgh's Archive of European Integration has created an invaluable resource for academics, students, librarians, and others needing historical materials associated with the creation and early development of what is now the European Union. There are currently over 20,000 documents in the archive, broadly divided into two types of materials: official EC/EU documents and research materials such as conference papers and journal articles. Amongst the EC/EU documents in the archive are COM documents, SEC documents, annual reports, general reports, green papers and white papers. Just as with the EU glossary, the archive offers both browse and search options. Browsing is by subject and year. Searching can be simple or advanced. Advice on using both approaches is given in the Help section. In the Eurojargon glossary, entries which link to documents in the archive include Community Charter, Dual Mandate, Generalized System of Tariff Preferences, Structural Funds, and White Paper. To briefly illustrate how useful the archive can be, we're looking at the EU glossary entries for Dual Mandate and White Paper. Elections to the European Parliament are currently held under the 1976 European Elections Act, which was annexed to Council Decision 76787 ECSC EEC Euratom. Although the text of the decision is available on Eulex, it does not include the annexed Act. Fortunately, the Act is available on the Pittsburgh Archive, where it is included in a 160-page European Parliament document produced in 1977. In this case, the link from the glossary is direct to the PDF document on the archive. However, for the glossary entry White Paper, the link is to the archive page, which lists the white papers available on the site. Selecting a specific document leads to an information page, from which the text itself can be accessed. There are not very many white papers in the collection, but as some of them are still not readily available on official EU sites, it is well worth knowing about the Archive of European Integration.